Hi everyone, this is Padma ma'am from NS Education Center. We are seeing the surface chemistry. This is part 13. The previous one was about the classification of the surface chemistry. Kindly go through it. Now we are going about the preparation of colloids. See the chemical, there are three methods for the preparation of colloids. The three chemical method. The chemical method, there are double decomposition. By double decomposition method we can prepare by oxidation and by reduction or by hydrolysis. So double decomposition method we already know, we have seen in the class 10 about the double decomposition method, displacement method. See here the double decomposition method is an exchange of ions, exchange of two ions. So the arsenic oxide plus hydrogen sulfide will give you an arsenide sulfide plus water, and sulfur dioxide and hydrogen sulfide on oxidation it gives sulfur plus water. And here gold chloride plus methanol or formaldehyde, methanol plus water will on reduction will get a gold sol and methanoic acid plus hydrochloric acid. So next preparation by hydrolysis. The four preparation is a simple and easy method of preparation of colloids. Very important thing. In fact, iron chloride with water will give you iron hydroxide plus hydrogen chloride. So next method is an electrical disintegration method of Brigitte-Arc method. In this method, the process is involving a dispersion as well as a condensation method. So these methods are used for the preparation of gold, silver, platinum. How it is prepared? So this is the apparatus setup for Brigitte-Arc method. In this method, the electric arc, this is a dispersed medium and an iceberg, and a cathode and an anode. Electrodes are there. The electric arc is stuck between the electrodes of metal dispersed in the dispersion medium, and this will vaporizes the metal to form a colloidal particle. Which metal we can form? It will be deposited on the metals. It's a simple method for the preparation of the gold, silver, sol. The last one is a peptidization. Peptidization is an important asked question in 3 mark. What is a peptidization? Peptidization is a process of converting precipitate into a colloidal source. It's a process of converting precipitate into a colloidal sol by shaking with the dispersed medium in presence of electrolyte. Very important thing. So the process of converting precipitate into a colloidal sol just by shaking with a dispersion medium in presence of an electrolyte. The electrolyte what it is used is normally called as peptizing agent, and which convert the freshly prepared precipitate into a colloidal sol. So what happens during this is a peptidization definitions, where you have to start with the definition and you have to say about the peptizing agent, and you have to say about what happened during the peptidization. The precipitate absorbed one of the ions of the electrolyte on the surface, and this causes the development of the positive or negative charge on the precipitate, which ultimately breaks into a smaller particles of colloidal size. So which will be deposited on the surface, which further when the precipitate moves towards a positive or negative, it causes formation of the colloids. So this about the preparation. We saw about the three methods of preparation. So this is about the preparation. By this the preparation is completed. Thank you children. Kindly go through, and if you have any doubts you can just pass it in the comment box. Thank you. Just subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Thank you.